Hello, and welcome back to Method News, where we talk about science-based manifestation methods and concepts. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're into this topic. Let's get started. Today, we're talking about high-level nutrition and manifestation and how it can help you release resistance and lower stress and really more easily manifest satisfying outcomes and story points into your reality. So let's start with gut bacteria. What you eat and what you consume influences your gut flora, the bacteria that is in your gut. It's like a little city in there. It impacts your moods, your decision making, your ability to focus. And the vagus nerve in your body is the direct connection from your gut to the brain that sends chemical signals all the time about your emotional and physical state, about the state of your nervous system, about the state of everything that's going on inside of you. And there are neurons in your gut that are sending electronic signals just like in your brain, just like your neuron signals. Now, what you consume changes how your gut performs. And 90% of your body's serotonin is synthesized from the gut. Your ability to feel good, to reduce stress and panic, to keep from freaking out, basically starts in your gut. And if you have a leaky gut and there's toxins leaking in your gut, you're most likely going to have mood swings. And, I think this is really something that doctors, psychiatrists, everyone needs to understand that your body is the first point of reference in how you're feeling. We manifest reality from our bodies, the interpretations of what we think reality is. Our brain can't see anything. It's taking signals from our eyes, from our bodies, from our guts to determine what is going on. It's like stuck in its cave, doesn't know what's going on, and it can only make sense of the world from the signals that it's getting. So, micronutrients, if you have deficiencies of micronutrients, this can make gut issues worse. And, some of the most missed ones are things like magnesium or vitamin D or even simple vitamins, vitamin C. These are things you definitely want to check with your doctor, check and see if you have any of these deficiencies and make sure that you're eating enough nutrients in your diet. You have a balanced diet of fiber and micronutrients, things that you need. And I'm not going to tell you like what your body in particular needs. This is where you need to become a detective and try to recognize the signals, get with your doctor, get with, checking your levels, like especially blood sugar balance for a lot of people, even if you don't realize it. There is so much sugar in our foods now, and it irritates the gut by producing bacteria overgrowth. And too much of this type of bacteria causes holes in the stomach. It causes inflammation throughout the body, throughout the entire body. And it increases stress and increases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol and puts you in fight or flight all the time. This is like the worst possible state to be in if you're trying to manifest a new reality and change your identity, right? And your identity is your predictive system for what you do, who you are, how you act, right? And if you're trying to make changes like that and your system is out of whack and imbalanced, you're going to get either mixed results or poor results, even if you get the manifestation you want. And we want satisfying manifestations, right? We want to feel good about our reality. So that starts in the body, in making sure your nutrition is good, making sure that what you put in your body is making it feel good, that you're being your body's bestie. You need to be your body's bestie because trust me, it will be your bestie. Your body's doing everything it can to keep you alive and is trying to make you happy, but it prioritizes survival over quote unquote happiness. Happiness is a fleeting feeling of satisfaction. Usually gratitude is we got more than what we expected, right? And that's really a mindset, a way of thinking and interpreting things, thinking about and interpreting things. So making sure your blood sugars are balanced, making sure that you're taking on the micronutrients, all these things that you're doing for your body are going to make you feel good in the manifestation later. They're going to make you feel much better about yourself, how everything feels in your reality. Because even if you get that, really cool sports car and you're still miserable, so what? You just have a sports car to take you to the hospital, right? You can drive your sports car to the hospital. But you see what I'm saying? Like these things seem so important but the base level things about our bodies, about our nervous systems, about how we're taking care of ourselves, valuing ourselves and our experience. These are the main things for quote unquote happiness and extended contentment and feeling satisfied with reality. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe, and sign up for the Method News newsletter in the description below.